What's up, guys? As I'm sure you guys can see by the title of today's video, today we'll be working with Allove hair, and I'll be showing you guys how I lifted my black hair to become this beautiful golden brown color. As you guys can see, I went ahead and used the new light bleach, which you can get from Dischem. Then I also went ahead and I used the Renew color brown. I think it is number 5, but I will leave all the details down below in the description box. First things first, we're going to be lifting the hair. This is basically just me creating a base for me to actually go ahead and apply the brown color, which you will see us apply a little bit later on. I didn't take the dye all the way, or not the dye, the bleach all the way up to the roots, except for in the front. And also in the front, I didn't take it right to the roots. I just took it a little bit higher than I took it on the lower strands. But you can kind of just sort of ombre it. That is the kind of look I was going for. But then when I got to the top, I was just like, you know, let's get a little bit more color in. But you guys will see that as well. And I'll come back when we are getting ready to actually dye the hair.
2, 3, she a born real free. My bitch, she born in the beast. I don't need it. Pull a drop shot with a eater. 2C, new bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I won't go think about bands. Hop over just to a check when I land. My bitch, too born in the beast. I don't need it. Pull a drop shot with a eater. 2C, new bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I won't go think about bands. Hop over just to a check when I land.
Big shot. Hold up, wait. Peanut butter insides. No. Outside. Cocaine white body look like chin top. Chin top. Rule of the day. Get a view every day. Get a bitch with a tan by the pool every day. Get a click with a plan. Give a tool every day. I never sleep. I gotta eat. I gotta dance. I feel it right when I get to the dance. How can I shop with like 64 amps? Talking that top about business again. He wanna lot with new Billies again. I want some top from like 2 sets of twins. Twins, yeah, yeah. Hey, bitch, where your friends, yeah, yeah. Hold up, switch. Hold up. She won't hang, yeah, yeah. Parliament, bundles of flowers, like Parliament. Never know, big dog
my
like
bitch,
ours.
too born in the beast. I don't need it. Pull a drop shot with a eater. 2C, new bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I won't go think about bands. Hop over just to a check when I land. My bitch, too born in the beast. With a eater. 2C, new bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I won't go think about bands. Hop over just to a check.
Once the hair is bleached and thoroughly air dried, you want to go ahead and add in your dye. This is what's going to give it that beautiful color that you guys saw in the intro. Basically, you just want to saturate the hair in this brown dye, specifically on the areas that you've already bleached. This is really going to give the hair some vibrancy, and it's going to allow you to see the color way better than if you didn't do this before. But to be honest, you actually can't, with this particular dye, not bleach your hair before. So do make sure that you do that step, or else you will not get the best results.
Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gas, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gas. Blue face, baby. Yeah, I'm every woman's fantasy. Blue face, baby. Mama always told me I was gonna break hearts. I guess it's her fault, stupid. Don't be mad at me, mad at me. I wanna see you bust down.
And once that is done, you guys can see I came up with this beautiful brown color. Now I'll just be installing the wig for you guys. You guys have seen me install a number of times, so I'm just going to let you guys watch this part. Do go ahead and check out the description box for all the products that you see used in this video. And of course, I will see you guys at the end, or rather you'll see me at the end, looking snatched with my wig all the way laid.
I wanna see you bust down that shit over. Yeah, over. Now make that shit clap. Now toot that thing up, toot it up, throw that shit back, toot that thing up, toot it. Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, and slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gas, oh, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it. Bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gas. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gas.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna find your body. Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you wanna play. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, let's give it a whirl. I've been watching you. I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that shit the way you do. Grab your girls and you grab a couple more. All can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. It's me.
Talk to me, boy.
Disrespect, I don't need no more.
Talk to me, boy.
I can't wait to have you in my arms.
Talk to me, boy.
Hurry up, 'cause you're taking too long.
Talk to me, boy.
I've been making by the end of this song. So what did you come
I
for?
came to dance with you.
You
Need to romance with you.
fall off and girl.
Don't take a chance. It's love is here on the floor.
Like a drum line buggy. I love it when you type it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Mr. Lover. I love it when you do it like I say. Keep it up, boy, we can do this all day. Keep my heart on my Central Bay.